Everybody wants to come to UK. But the thing is this, so many people are faced in the direction of healthcare or support worker. Do you see it? That is why the government has bound that route for Bantu to come with their dependents. They are no longer eligible to come with their dependents. But today's pathways, I'm going to be sharing 3 pathways where you can come with your dependents that the government is not even looking into because people are not utilizing that route. They'll be like, why are we even binding people not to come with their family members when people are not even using the route? So today's video is packed, it's loaded, and it's an opportunity you must make use of. Because as long as Ella Uche is on this channel, I will continue to motivate you, drag you until you do the right thing. That is the job I am employed to do on this YouTube. All right. So, guys, in life generally, utilizing opportunity is very important. I'm not supposed to be making this video today because if you know me very well, that you know that this is not the usual Ella Uche. Um, on Monday, I almost lost my life. It's more like a testimony. So if you believe in God, thank God for me. On Monday, I almost lost my life. I was really very ill. I couldn't even explain how the illness came. From Sunday midnight to Monday morning, I was ill. Went to the hospital, and in this country, they don't admit you except it's emergency, emergency. You already know now. So, guys, and on my way back, I lost consciousness. I couldn't, for 6 hours or so, I couldn't explain where I was. You know, thank God for family around and for God, because even if family was around, if anything would have happened, it's not in their place to help me. So God in his infinite mercies kept me. My point of saying this story is because I'm not supposed to come and do this video, but it's important you take this opportunity serious if you truly want to come to UK. Because the truth is this, people in the UK have more opportunities of getting better jobs than those that are outside. If you like, be I don't know what's the best profession, because every profession is very important. So imagine you're the best surgeon, and your chances outside and your chances inside is not the same. Yes, because they will first of all canvass for people inside the country, and if they cannot see somebody as qualified as you are before they can reach out, and if they're trying to reach out, so many applicants from different countries are reaching out too. So you can imagine. So the best thing is try and get yourself in here first, and you can as well sort out for the best of your best jobs. That is the truth. And remember, we are in the winter period. Winter has started since, and it's going to last up until April. Spring will start coming up, you know. So, and one thing I've observed in this country is this: during winter, they don't like to work. So there are so many vacancies in this period, and they are looking for workers. Like even in my workplace, they are looking for workers like crazy. You understand? So utilize this opportunity. Make sure you don't miss out on it. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section or any observation or any concern. I'll always be there to help you. All right. Remember, in this pathway, we are using UK standard CV. As many that have used my services know that my CV is always crisp. Like you will see my CV and you'll be like, this is it. Like, KFC chicken, very crisp. That is how my CV is always. So as many that have used it, they know. So they don't need to tell them. So people that have used my CV, this is time to utilize it. Submit that UK standard CV. All right. And definitely, definitely, you'll come back with testimony. All right. And don't forget to pray. That's the most important one. Pray. Okay. So, guys, let's take a look at this opportunity. So, guys, the first opportunity today is called the Creative Worker Visa. I know many of you think it's just the artists that can travel, probably Davido and the likes. No, guys, I have good news for you. Let's look at what this has to say. All right. It says a creative worker is someone who works in the creative industry. For an example, an actor, dancer, musician, or film crew member. All right. And this visa has replaced the temporary worker visa. That's a five. You understand? Now, one of the criteria you have to meet is to get sponsorship. Look at the certificate of sponsorship. That means if you can get a job from now till April, you are likely to come over to UK immediately. If you are outside UK in 3 weeks, you should get a decision. It says your partner and your children are also liable to join you and to stay in the UK as dependents if they are eligible. This one sweet me. Oh, do you know why? Because a dependent partner can always switch. Did you hear me? Switch. You will switch from being the main applicant to being the dependent. The idea is for you to leave Nigeria first. Because the truth is this, the probability of 100, at least the chances of you getting a job when you have a UK address, a UK phone number is highly increased. Because at least 80% of you have high chances of getting a job. Okay, now this is it. So your partner can come with you as long as you guys um you guys are legible. All right, let's take a look at the extension of your visa. You can apply to extend your temporary visa. Is it clear? Can you see it? These are things that people are not exploring this route. And that is why UK governments are still leaving people to come with their dependent. Because in healthcare, everybody's rushing to and care, support. That places has been shut down. The band 2 has been shut down. You cannot come with your family except you're applying for a band 3 that can allow you come with your family. Do you see that this route is one route you can come and you can still enjoy the benefits, switch, and stay here for a very long time. All right. So see, one thing that will come handy now in this particular visa is if you are a content creator like I do. Maybe you're a dancer, singer, like they've said earlier, if movie actor, anything, just anything that has documentary. This is just more like a global talent visa too. So that thing, anything that has backup, your TikTok account, if you have good followers, guys, you can add that to your support statement and tell them verifiable information. That is the idea. Give them verifiable information that they can go back and check if it's truly like that. And that's number one way to come over. And by God's grace, if you get a company that can sponsor you, like sponsor you to the last, because some actually give you that certificate of sponsorship, but will not pay for your fees. But some will actually give you the certificate of sponsorship and still also pay for your fees. So that's number one way to travel. So another way to travel people are not exploring is the religious worker visa. I remember somebody told me on the comment section that him and his wife are choristers or something. I can't remember. Yes. He said, I'm a pastor, my wife is a chorister. I should help them look for religious work route. Please, this is it. I think one thing I do very well, everybody can give me credit for, is that I reply to your comments, don't I? So that's another reason why you should like this video, so that this video will get to people that have commented once and probably have not seen this video. So just like this video so that this video can get to them. All right. Now look at it. It says you can apply for this visa if you want to do religious work in a non-pastoral role. So that means you mustn't be a pastor to meet this legibility. Do you understand? There are so many roles under the religious route. Okay. I think I'm going to be helping you guys to add this I'm going to add to the link to get religious roles for those that are interested. All right. And you are going to be paid. All these jobs are not free. Don't you ever think that they are voluntary roles. They are not. They're not free. You're going to be paid every bit of your sweat. All right. Now you must have certificates of sponsorship. That is why you need to be employed. That's the only way to get certificates of sponsorship. All right. So this is it. The same thing. Your partner and your children. The same thing. All right. And this is it. I don't need to talk too much on this religious stuff because not so many people think that this is the right way to travel. But this is another way to explore. As long as you are leaving the shores of Nigeria and you are coming over here to explore opportunities right in the UK. Because the truth is this, your chances outside and the chance somebody that is inside is not the same thing. Because this is winter. So many employers are looking for, see, like in my own company, there's so many vacancies. Like the vacancy is choking because this is winter. They don't like to go out during winter. That's the truth. That's one truth about the white people. They don't like to go out during winter. They like to stay indoors. So many of them all usually quit their jobs during winter and they will apply for another job or resume back in summer. That's how they are very that's how they work. They don't like stress. But you know we now Africans, we die there. you know. So that's the thing. So this is the right time. Employers are looking for people. Like for more than 3 months, my company has been looking for people. Vacancy notice has been there for more than 3 months. I'm not telling you 3 months. Immediately we start crawling into winter. Means it's entering November, December. Everybody quitting. I said, what's in the happen for you? They said, that's what they used to do. That during winter they used to quit. I said, that's what they do for you. You understand? But Nigerians now, they carry work for it. So that's the thing, guys. So let's explore this. Use this winter period, catch them. As they're looking for you to yourself, look for them, catch them. That is the idea. That's why I brought this thing. It's not because I'm not feeling fine. No, that's the truth. If you can hear my voice, if you know my voice before now, you know that I'm not feeling fine. But this video is very important and dear to my heart that people should use this route and travel because it's another easy way to travel. You know the idea now to always make immigration easy for every one of us, all right? This is the third route I'll be talking about that you can travel with. I have another bonus at the end, another one. I know that you know me now. I will not gatekeep. I will always talk until everybody in Nigeria fly out. So the thing is this now, guys. This seasonal worker visa, you already know about it. I'm very sure you've heard about it. The thing about this one is that it lasts for only 6 months. That's for the horticulture. And this one is divided to horticulture and poultry. All right. But I would advise you go for the horticulture because now, in this period, nobody wants to pick fruits. Nobody wants to pick apple. They are actually very, very cold. They are running inside their house to go and sleep. You understand? So use this opportunity and come over first. The idea is come over first. Do you understand? Because this is now workers. Most of the time, they pay for their flight ticket, they pay for everything, like they pay because they really need you guys. So, seasonal workers, out of the three, quite all right. This seasonal workers, most times, always give full sponsorship. Most times, I didn't say all the time, before people drag me, most times. Most times, I have seen them giving full sponsorship. All right. So, guys, explore all these opportunities, explore them. And at the end of the day, each of them will allow you travel with your family. That's one thing people should understand. So, guys, I've tried my best now. Yes, I said the third thing. The fourth thing I'm going to talk about is charity worker visa, or maybe I'll do the video so that on Saturday you guys can be able to see charity worker visa in a full view that you guys have not seen before. What do you think about it? Should I say it or should I keep quiet? Should I talk about it or should I keep quiet and just mind my business? You guys should talk now. All right. Please don't forget to like this video. Biko, I am begging. It doesn't hurt now. To like video, they know they buy fuel for them now. I know fuel is expensive in Nigeria. I mean, I feel that they call them. Please, you people should like this video. That's all you people do to encourage me. Like, just be liking. Like it. Call your village people to like it. They will like it. Share to them so that they will like it. Biko, that's all. Joe, Emma Binu Joe. Àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. Joe, please like this video. Thank you very much. So if you want me to drop the link where you can get all these jobs that I have showed you. I've showed you 3 jobs now, right? The creative worker visa, religious worker visa, and seasonal worker visa. If you want me to show you a compilation of all these jobs, like where you can get them, just comment on the comment section. Please, we need the link for the job compilation. You trust me now? I'll just land down for a day. Just comment and let me know. All right. So if you need any assistance, you know me now. I will always be here to help you in the comment section as far as I can. Okay. If you just see my face for the first time, don't mind me. Oh. Today's another kind of funny day. My name is Ella Uche, and on this channel, we believe in being the best we can be. All right, we share opportunities here. You can go through the gallery, the playlist. There are so many opportunities that are on this channel, and of course, legit, sweet, sharp, and affordable opportunities. All right, so just go through the playlist, subscribe. You don't want to miss out now. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. The way you guys celebrated me this birthday, I love you guys. Thank you so much. On so many platforms, you guys were, I don't know what to say. Thank you so much, guys. And I love you. Thank you so much. All right. And, guys, please don't forget to like this video. Hmm? Please. Thank you. Thank you. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment sections. We'll be here to help each other. Sometimes before I come, people already help each other to answer questions. And I love that. That shows that we are one community. All right. Thank you guys for all the support. And don't forget to be the best you can always be. That's the way the world has to adjust to you. All right. And I love you.